Well guys, just realized I have a flat tire on the 80 series. So I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you guys how I fix nails in tires here at home. All right, so first and foremost, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the power. I have my compressor running. Turn it on. There she is. Got her to work, and this tire was on the ground. So I put some air in it, got home, and figured I would fix it when I got home and I had some time to do it. I just realized I am down to my last patch. Gotta buy some more. But these are the basic tools I use. Gotta use my tool. Wrong way. E-brake up. And now we take the tire off. And so basically one of the things I like to do is pump the tire way up. I got my little meter right here. I should probably inspect the tire first. Make sure there's no other oil, no other sucks because everywhere around this area there's so much construction, and believe it or not guys, I've had pretty large objects embedded in my tires before, and I have to replace one of them. This truck's awful. I gotta get a different chuck. 40 pounds should do it. We'll see what happens. So, little muggy guys, little muggy. So you want to basically get your patch ready. This part can be a little hectic. want to have everything ready because it's going to happen pretty quickly. Once you pull this out, basically what I do, some people like to lube this up, I just jam it in there, probably hammer it in, and then kind of set up the hole, throw the patch in, rock and roll. A lot of people will sit there and struggle with it, getting it in, just hammer it in. Basically what you want to do is just kind of make it so that this patch will fit. I'm going to do this kind of quickly. Not too much, otherwise you'll push the whole patch through. That's it. Yeah, I know it's close to the edge, but who cares? I'm not gonna go replacing a $300 tire just because of that. It's enough, right? It's hot. That's why you see me sweating. Otherwise, not too shabby. I'm gonna get this tire on, and I'll see you guys later.